what's going on, Kartel family? I am Wambi, and welcome back to Vegan Kartel. That's Kartel with a K. Before we get started, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification button so we know when our next video is coming out, okay? We want to get the notifications. So, also look, follow us on Instagram. We have an IG, Vegan Kartel, Kartel with a K, and follow us on Facebook, Vegan Kartel, Kartel with a K. So today, Kartel family, we are going to do something a little bit different. We are going to do a product spotlight. So for today, we have Deliciou brand. They have plant-based chicken, and they call it a plant mix. So just to read off the box a little bit, it says it's clean and it's lean. It says the only two ingredients you actually have to have is water and oil. So that's what we got, water and oil. And then, let's see, what else we got to talk about? Oh, and it's no soy. No soy. And for you people who like to stay away from soy, but the people that like to stay away from gluten, this is not for you, unfortunately. But it's okay, though. We might have other videos with no gluten. So, with this ingredient, so because it's not soy, it does have vegetable protein in it, so they mix it up with pea protein, mung bean, and they also have some type of cellulose and natural flavors and things like that. So it looks like it's going to be really good. I've never tried it before, so definitely interested in seeing how it's going to taste. We're going to do this together. These are the ingredients that's needed. As I said before, well, they say that you only need to add water and oil. But look, I can't be, me and my culture. We just don't, let things slide with just water and oil. I got to put some garlic in there. I got to put some onion in there. And I want to try something else new today. I found some chicken seasoning, and I'm going to put some chicken seasoning in there. And for you people who love protein, I wanted to add, this has 20 grams of protein. It's supposed to be really good for you. Non-GMO, good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. This is how it looks out the bag, right here. Let's get this party started. So, now it says we're gonna empty the packets in a container, right? Look, I'm doing what they say. We're gonna find out whether or not this is as good as they was hyping on Facebook. Did I tell you I found it on Facebook? I found it on Facebook. So we're going to empty the packets. It says to put in some measurements of the English Australian world. I meant not English, but Australian world. It said something like 240 ml. I had to Google it. It was 1 cup. Just a little bit over, but still 1 cup. So 1 cup of that, and then it didn't have like this particular oil, so 1 tablespoon of oil. We have grapeseed oil today. And once you put that stuff in, they tell you to stir. But I'm not gonna stir until I put my other ingredients in here, if you know what I mean. I gotta put my other ingredients in. Just a little bit now. Then I got my garlic. I got my onion powder. And then I got my chicken seasoning. Like I said, it's new. I haven't used it before, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that real quick. Just a little bit. Now it's time to stir. Let's see what we got here. It's still a little crunchy. I think I might need a little bit of water. A little bit more water. Put a little bit more water in there because that little 1 cup I had didn't work. So I'm going to put maybe a cup and a tablespoon or something like that. But this should be good right here. So the consistency is the consistency of shredded chicken. And it's saying that you can like cook it just like this. And then once you have the ingredients mixed in, you would mold it into whatever shape you would like. So they recommended meatballs, tenders, nuggets, you know, strips, anything. So today, what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna make it into like kind of like strips, so that we can make it a part of our salad, because today we're having salad. Okay. This is what it looks like here. This is starting to look like something, okay? Like real chicken. I mean, you know, like off camera, I took a little tasty taste. And it actually tastes a little bit like chicken. But look, what I wanted to add was this Weber, English language is so crazy. W-E-B-E-R, Weber. That chicken seasoning, it's vegan. It doesn't have any, like, you know, animal products in it. So, like, in case you were wondering, it's vegan. So what I'm gonna do now is, since you know me, you know my hands, I don't like to get them a little messy. I don't like that. So I'm gonna put on some gloves, right? And I'm gonna try and fashion this chicken into strips so that we can have that for our salad. And like I said, I've never done this before, but I'm actually excited because, like I said, it looks and tastes like chicken. So look, I was gonna do chicken strips. I changed my mind. This is the best I could do right here. I'm gonna put it up here. It's good. It's good. It's the taste that matters. The taste. So I'm gonna do a few of these here. Well, look, I think we're on to something. I don't know how much I think I paid like I don't remember how much I paid for it, but because like we got it back in like October, and I was always afraid to try it. But I was like, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it goes. And it came from Australia. It was also before they had some US based locations. So it came from Australia, and we decided we were gonna try it because we found it on Facebook. And on the websites in the US base is actually $10. So and it says something like if you pay for if your order is more than $30, you get free shipping. So you have to pay for shipping under $30. But I think that this is a good deal. All right, don't quote me on it right now, because I ain't fried yet. But based on what I tasted now, it's pretty decent. Pretty decent. I think I want to get this again here. Okay, just about finished. And it stays together so well. I'm impressed. I am definitely impressed by these little things here. Last one. Now, after we finish all of this, we are going to place it in the oil and fry it on both sides. It actually didn't say how long to fry it. It just says to fry until golden brown. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fry until it's golden brown on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out right now. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this party going here. It's already looking good. It didn't even turn golden yet. It's already looking good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and wait for a couple of minutes, fry it until it gets golden on one side. I'm gonna check one side, but then I'm going to flip it over as soon as, maybe one side is golden. I'll flip it over. It's gonna take probably like a minute. I don't think it's gonna take long. Give it a second. Shinda. Look at that right there. It worked. They was not lying. It turns golden. It looked like a nugget. A big nugget though. Shinda. Look at this. I am excited. I wish you were here to try it. I really do, because this is this about do you see this? Oh man, it's definitely gonna taste as good as oh my goodness, look at this Deliciou. This is awesome. So yeah, so I probably cooked it for a couple minutes on both sides. It turned golden really quickly. And this is the final product. Like, I am just super uber excited about these Deliciou. I don't know who you got working for you, but whoever came up with this little formula, I need to take a page out of their book. But this is it right here. Now we're about to add it to a salad. Okay, Vegan Kartel family, we're done. We did it. This is the final product. We have this right here. And look, just look. I broke it apart. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It looked like chicken. So look, I'm going to just say that it looked like, well, yeah, the inside of a chicken nugget, right? So I mean, it's good. So we made a salad out of it, and we used lettuce, tomato, onions. We also used peppers and avocado. And look, let me tell you about this dressing here. I just found this at Food Line today. It's Walden Farms ranch dressing. It's calorie free. I'm a little bit nervous about the whole calorie free. I really don't do fat free. I don't do calorie free, but it's not that easy to find vegan ranch dressing, other than like if you like go with Daya or somebody like that. So I'm going to try this dressing out. It is vegan. It doesn't have any like buttermilk or anything like that. I kind of like double, triple, and quadruple check the ingredients. I even use that app called Is It Vegan? It actually helps out whether, most of the products they have like already in the system, and they'll tell you whether or not it's vegan, the vegan ingredients and the non-vegan ingredients. So that's it for us, guys. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification button at the bottom of the video, and also follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, both of them Vegan Kartel with a K. So if you like for us to do any more product spotlights like we did with the Deliciou, make sure that you let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And until next time, it's the Kartel.